Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. I just wanted to come out here in the field. They're combining my soybeans today, and I thought maybe some of you might be interested. I know I got a lot of new subscribers, and some of them might not even know that I farm. I have a little farm, got 40 acres of soybeans and 40 acres of field corn. And I got a guy that does my combining for me, and he's out there right now doing the soybeans, so I'm just going to videotape a little bit of it and let you see it in action. He's only been here maybe an hour and 15-20 minutes, and that probably includes like installing the head and stuff, so he's really moving right along. I'll turn this camera around here so you can see what's been done already. Kind of hard to see because I'm shining into the sun, or videotaping into the sunshine there, but that's all done. Got the semi truck sitting up there. Got another semi truck sitting back here. And over there, that's what they got to do yet. And this is done already here. So I'm going to go over there and videotape some of them. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day here today. It's really dry and dusty. But that's a good thing that the beans are dry. So that's a good thing. We want them dry so they store well and you don't have to get docked or anything at the grain elevator because they're wet. So I'm gonna go up a little closer to them and I'll be right back with you. Here's their rolling, I don't know what you call it, toolbox on wheels and stuff, and got their I don't know if they got fuel, diesel, or if that's I think it's diesel in there, I'm not sure. And they got all their tools there if they break down. Got a welder in there, everything. And got the semi here. They got two of them almost identical. You can see on the bottom where they open it up and the drains out. I think they're divided in half, so if you got two different people's products, you can put one person's in the front and the other person's in the rear and keep them separate. I believe. I may be wrong on that. Take a look up here and show you what the beans look like. It's kind of starting, the sun's going down right now. It's probably, I don't know, probably 20 after 6. Give you a little bit of an idea what these look like. Let me see if I can get that to stop doing that. But they're pretty nice. For my area anyways, for my farm. Not the most perfect soil. But I didn't get a chance to ask them what they were showing on the computer inside the combine. It'll usually give like an average of what they're yielding. It's not always 100% accurate, but it gives you an idea. Hopefully we'll get somewhere between 50 and 60 bushel per acre. So I'm going to put you on pause until he comes back down here, and then I'll get the combine on video. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. It's pretty dusty. It looks like it's on fire, but it's not. It's just dust. Anyways, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's not the best of lighting tonight because the sun's almost down right now. It's just going down. But anyways, at least you got to see some of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I really appreciate that. And we'll catch you on the next Wisconsin Greg Show. Take care, everyone. Bye now.